Do you remember the days of tirelessly scanning Google Earth looking for tower shadows? Well, those days are over thanks to our new commercial tower layer. Let me give you a demo and show you how this works. From here, we're going to identify our first site. And here I've already selected site A as our first one. We're going to select that by clicking on it. It turns orange. Now we're going to click on the new towers layer. From here, we can specify a distance. I'm going to leave it at the default of a 10-mile radius. And what we're going to look for are all the available commercial towers in this area. By clicking on the tower button, we'll now populate this and we can zoom in and we can now see all of the towers that are available to use in our project within a 10-mile radius. Now, if I click on any one of these, it will then give me the detailed information about who the tower company is, the total height of the tower, the type of structure it is, and if I'd like to, I can click on height and availability, more information. And from this window here, you'll be able to make direct contact with the tower company, and they will be able to then engage with you and tell you exactly what rad centers are available and give you pricing for leasing space on their tower.